All right, guys. Maintaining. Good morning, America. All right, so this is basically without me being able to take any good pictures, but still got some something to go. But just want to go to get a starting point. So totally transparent, guys. So here we are, sitting at 283, coming down from 316. So they've got some, yeah. So gonna keep working, keep going. So this is where I'm sitting now. Do you want to call this day one? Because I'm just telling you guys, we can. I'll do that. Let's call this day one because it's just me reporting to you guys. All right.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting
Cafe Caribe or whatever. This is low-key a good coffee. I got it from Save-A-Lot. I was very surprised. I just picked up something because it was the closest store to me. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make this up here. I know it's dark, but hey, what y'all asked for? Y'all want to see more of me? That's what I'm doing. So intermittent fast. Guess I do need some light, huh? Coffee in here. Already got it plugged up. And, oops, it's water. So it's a little different. What you guys normally see, but all right. Go to get that started. All right. So that's gonna go. Of course, I'm not adding anything to it. It's just coffee. So coffee and water. Go ahead and grab an agua. Let the coffee get made, and we're gonna sit down and get this party started today. Okay. So I probably won't eat anything because of how I feel. The last time I ate was 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock last evening. So 6 to 6, that's 12 hours. And I probably won't eat until like close to noon. That'll put me between 15 and 17 hours of intermittent fasting. So it's got also to a point to where I'm more or less not really hungry after my first meal. So I'm not sure if I should push my feeding time between 2 and 4 and not eat until 2. I may try that a little later this week just to see how I feel. And like I said, I've lost money. I lost money. I lost food. I ain't waking up yet. I lost weight without really like trying. I just implemented the intermittent fasting, and went from there. So basically, just a bit, keep myself at a calorie deficit, and when I'm exercising, I'm just doing walking. That's it. I haven't really got into a gym full time yet. I just want to see what this intermittent fasting is going to do for my body and how my body's going to react to it. So far, I think my body likes not eating, which is weird because I love food. So I'm about to figure that out and see exactly what he's saying to me. I'm just walking around, straightening up things, put things in place. Our big box here, I'll be moving here pretty soon. Actually looking for a house. Hopefully I can find one. That it's not, everything is so expensive. Everything's so expensive. Basically, the reason why I'm still here. But we'll see. God's good. So I trust the process. I trust the process. So I kept my box because when I move my TV, I do not want it to be damaged. It's a big TV. And I'm not buying another one unless it's an additional one. So coffee's just about ready. And we're gonna taste it. All right, let's get it. Got coffee. I run it all black. All black. A coffee cup. This is the coffee I'm using. You can see it better now. This is lighter. Cafe Caribe. I got it at Save a Lot. Just picked it up. It's like $3.49. But if you like Bustelo coffee in a yellow brick, it's similar to that. And it's pretty. It's decent taste. And of course, I just have mine all black. But not bad at all. Not bad at all. So check it out, guys. All right, guys. It's brighter in here. It's lighter. Yeah, so I'll take you guys on this intermittent fasting journey with me. We still will be doing food reviews. And, just going to go from there. So far, I feel, believe it or not, I feel better with less food. It also depends on what food you put in your body as well, too. So, probably be cooking more, but I want to make it easy. I don't want nothing too difficult because how busy my schedule normally is, and of course, with you want to continue to do a YouTube channel and create content. You want to make sure it's more as efficient as possible. And for those of you that are interested in doing YouTube channels, I've been doing this for don't feel like it's almost 3 years. And it's kind of hard to be consistent. And when you are consistent, you do get results. But sometimes you'll get results that you think you want or deserve. But sometimes it is what it is. So basically, the intangible benefits is being consistent and not giving up, and still working towards a goal. So I'm happy with that. But of course, to take it to the next level, you get a bit more education about the platform, and you get more education for yourself and how to present certain things. So that's probably what I'll do. But we'll see. This morning, I just want to wake up, say, hey guys, I'm still intermittent fasting. Normally, it's just something I wouldn't show. I just go ahead and do it. You start with 9 to 5 and, go from there. But this is basically cup 1, breakfast. And it's around, it's about almost 7:20 or so. So we're gonna go from there. You know what I'm saying? This is a quick video, so I'm gonna cut it off here. Right now, intermittent fasting is working for me. I'm gonna continue to do it for I'm thinking about doing it up until my trip to Miami, the end of October. And then of course that's the cruise ship time as well too, because I'm gonna leave from Miami to go to Carnival, and then we're gonna cruise over to Jamaica, Otis Rios and Grand Cayman. I've been looking at videos, and it doesn't look all that exciting. But fun is what you make it. So I know I'm gonna be lit no matter where I go. So it's gonna be good. But it's also good to get out and have experiences. And I'm gonna take you guys with me as well too, so you guys get to see what I see, experience what I experience, and we're gonna go from there. But just want to say good morning to you guys. Love you guys. If you're here for the first time, please like and subscribe to the channel. We do food vlogs here, personal vlogs. We also do a personal lifestyle type things and food reviews. And right now it's all inclusive. So if you want to know more about the big guy, maybe you want to do a Q&A. If you want to do a Q&A, I've never done one before. It could be a first. So you guys let me know. Let me know what you think. I'll probably be going live a little later today. Just say hey, hello, and let you guys know how about noontime-ish, well, what I'm doing to break my fast. So, all right, love you guys, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.